I'm a painter. I sniff a lot of paint and I don't like it. As a singing background that I've grown up with, I that was my previous profession. My throat and my voice are very important to me, and I'm very like sensitive to what happens. And when I'm breathing in those paint fumes, I can feel my throat is closing up and I get like bloody noses and I get super dry, and my muscles get inflamed from the toxins that I'm breathing in. So yeah, I was like, I gotta do something about this because I can't, you know, I don't want to be the Little Mermaid. I gotta have my voice. I started Google searching on different paint options, natural options, and then this article popped up about hempcrete, and I was like, what is this? And it just seemed too good to be true. But the more I looked into it, the more I was like, wow, if this is real, then this totally, my entrepreneurial brain was like, this sounds like something I want to check out.